In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Safemoon using Trust Wallet. Let's dive right in and get started with this step-by-step process designed to make things as easy as possible for you, whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher. First, open up your Trust Wallet app. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the various features Trust Wallet has to offer. You'll notice options such as send, swap, fund, and sell, in addition to the list of tokens you currently hold. These tools are crucial for managing your cryptocurrencies effectively. Before proceeding with any transactions, it's vital to ensure your wallet is sufficiently funded. Without adequate funds, you won't be able to purchase Safemoon or any other token. So, let's get that sorted out. Go ahead and click on the search icon. In the search bar, type in BNB and select it from the list that appears. Once you're on the BNB page, you'll see an option to buy. Now, when you're ready to buy, enter the amount of BNB you'd like to purchase. There's flexibility here in terms of how you can make the payment. You have the option of using a credit card, or, if you prefer a more peer-to-peer experience, you can opt for P2P. Bank transfers are also an option if that's what you're comfortable with. After you've selected your method of payment, there's one more important step. Select the network as needed and click on it. This will allow you to enter your credit card details securely. Take your time to ensure all your payment details are correct and then proceed with the transaction. Once the transaction is complete and you've received the BNB in your wallet, it's time to move on to the next phase. If you're using a phone, simply click on the Discover tab in Trust Wallet and enter the URL pancakeswap.ga finance. For those of you using a laptop, you can directly navigate to the PancakeSwap website. It's essential to connect this to your Trust Wallet account to proceed. Now you can only continue with the transaction if you have adequate funds. This is key. In case you find you're short on funds, take a moment to rectify that. Once you're set, let's move on. On the PancakeSwap interface, you'll see a section with arrows. Click on the relevant arrow, and then you'll want to search for Safemoon. It's quite straightforward. Once you see Safemoon, simply click on it. Now it's just a matter of entering the amount you wish to swap. With all your details entered, click Swap to finalize your purchase. And there you have it, a complete guide to buying a Safemoon on Trust Wallet. With these steps, you're all set to dive into the world of Safemoon and manage your investments seamlessly. Thanks for tuning in.